1 minute me I do pan ya. Eh? Bowa. Ask her make she tell you now. Make she tell you about what. Come here, I just talk to my friend.
She said I'm not charity, she asked you about.
Tell her me dey on my live now. Make she tell you now you are my assistant, Paula. You keep on and make them tell you so them want to talk to me. Tell her if me say fi tell you.
Tell me she said. She said she a big you.
Big up your nice clean self.
Big up your nice clean self, and that she said.
Make you like build up the clear here.
She not listen to me, young miss, you not put me in no more trouble. Alright. You hear me? Later. It'll be greater. Yeah man, bye bye.
I want the life build up before I throw my tongue out here. I come out back just for do it. I just talk to my friend. I don't want the people them who carry news not the fire when me attack. I want it connect, I want it come live and direct. Me say I don't know them woman here mix up so. Some big old great tone woman and I pick them you know. You feel left mix up to young girl. You feel left mix up to young smaddy. If you don't know people relationship and you don't understand what people talk, you feel leave it alone. You too mix up for woman. Some of them have all whole heap of dirty panty them pack up in a closed basket. If you go wash that, you come over here and make problem. Make a dress that 2 cents and go in. You come. Because you depend you want to call me name. And love mix up and I'm not afraid of you. Because you stay out of people business. Now this morning Colleen come here. And me just run on the phone and I say me have the real and the fake dancehall queen. The fake one last night. When I say fake, me never mean say Audrey fake. Audrey acting a show, that means say it not real. I in the show she there. It's a fake one and not real. Where you go see her road that dress up like dancehall queen. And Colleen are the real dancehall queen who up and down in a real life they dance. And uno careless people, because Audrey say uno call her and tell her, say, oh me, say she feel, Audrey say she go and come and here for uno explain what me mean later. She there somewhere with Amir now. When me say fake, me mean say it is an illusional world when you act in a show. You see Audrey walk up and down and go dance in a dance hall and I wind up in a dance. It was a show she do. And me just say me have the fake, the real one you know. That means say Colleen are the one where they are go dance. And Audrey are the one where act as a dancer queen before Colleen them. She in a show. And our class on woman pa here today for leave me and Audrey. Make her see if Audrey reach in there with Amir. She there somewhere with Amir. You don't know the relationship with me and Audrey have. I want to pick up on the phone and say, oh, me say, me and a friend and me a this her. You too damn mix up woman. Because no man no call her. And me say it. You have to come out of people business, man. You too enough. Eh? When I tell a woman like say, she not even see, from Audrey hear it, Audrey know what me mean. Because me tell Audrey say the fake, the real one a come and the fake one. That means all the show me a talk about. Which part me did say Audrey a fake? Me say, if I never one time when I could have checked bad would have tell you some sitting on here today, see. I would have sent you up under some place, you see. Because you chip me head now. Me tell the woman a fake, you call the woman and tell her about let me find Audrey. All the phone I want me call Audrey to her phone a freeze. Me just come off her live, but I know why I come off of my phone with her because the phone when me I go call pan a itchy dep, me I go on the live pan my personal number. A itchy call. Me see if she reaching her place already. Can me tell her if she stay but she da run to go somewhere. Eh? Talk to me assistant say, hold on there now. Hold on there. I want to see if Audrey's good or not drive out yet. Yes, let me call Audrey. You know I run and carry my name about Dana this year and say Dana. You ever see me this Audrey? Eh? You just enough up in a people business, so.
Hey, Donna?
Yeah, my sister, me dey on the live. Just give me 1 little second there. Tell the people them when me did that say in our life. Because you don't watch it, but tell them what me mean.
Oh God, Donna, me in our office here.
Just give 1 little 10 seconds now.
Because I have to listen to it as well. I need to listen
Yes.
to it. I don't get a chance to hear what
What
they
then
say,
tell you,
but I
say?
need to
Tell the
listen.
people them what then tell you, say.
Well, they were saying something about you saying I'm fake and Carlin is the real dancer queen, but me and me fake or something. Then I don't want to repeat what people say. I want to listen and hear what you
No,
say.
tell them when they say that what me mean.
Then in all fairness to me, I need to listen and see how you did quote it.
Alright, listen
Maybe
it.
it's the way it was quoted. So later let me talk to you now.
Oh, me forgot to say you're in a meeting. Yeah. So when I tell the woman now, say me say she fake. Me say me have the real one, yeah, and me have the fake one last night. Can't get on the phone. The dancehall queen them. Lord Jesus, I can't take no chatting.
Donna, how far the man must measure?
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, easy this off now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me nah cuss you know. Me just a run me joke for you. I just say she not listening to it, but I wanna call. I wish. Call me a call, I know, cause somebody call me and say, Dana, somebody call me, so you this dance, or you this Audrey. When you see me, I walk at these people, eh? When you love drama, when you love mix up, someone, you know, me say, me should have can't see you in my phone. Audrey should have said, I don't know, name, come give me a read out on the right span, yeah. Me just say, I look at jovial spirit, and I say, Rasta Jai, two dancehall queen, them in a problem, figure up on the phone. Eh? The real one, the fake one last night could come out because it's the fear phone and get trouble. And the real one, when me say so, me mean say, Carlin are the one who up and down and Kaji acting a show. Show a real life sitting, no illusion and nothing you go up on TV, go look for. Me did say Audrey a fake, me say dancehall. Audrey name dancehall queen. Eh? Now the role where she act. Me say they mix up. Me say I'm afraid of you. I want she tell me all I make her bring you up on yak. I thought she not go tell me. I would have put you up on blast and send you under some old car somewhere. And in some gully pocket where I live. But I not go do it. One is too wicked when you want to bring her a city, she not stay so. For the little time when I know her, she acted as a dancehall queen. Explain to her. She acted as a dancehall queen in the movie. Them two terrible. I mean, I say, Carlin are the real one, because Carlin there, so. Yeah. No, sir. In the show, it we are talk about. Carlin the here and no, sir, it me attack and this. We win dancehall show. I will say Audrey and go over show, go win. I will say Audrey are the one in the show. And me just as a Rasta the two. Uno go say me say the woman are fake. I hear to no subtle. If I could have, hey, you see if God never in my spirit. Why put to no man, not even. What I tell you now to my mouth today, God, me I beg you baptize me tongue. Because it make me come out of my kitchen. Because me I talk to her and she tell me. One man say call her Gina, so me I do and me I call her. But she said, Dana, them I tell me, oh, you say me fake. She act as a dancer queen. She's not a... Audrey is not a person who go dance in a dance or wind up in a music video. In the show, she act as one. So I was just referring to her and say, me have the two dancer queen, the real and the fake one. You know? Boy, I'm afraid of you. I don't know how to class. You know? I don't know how to class and dress. You know? Because people are going to say me too wicked. Eh? If you go find something for to go wash out some man who nasty mouth, you know run with my name for try cause confusion and mix up. And then you twist up my word. She knows say me not this her. And she knows say me not talk nothing and Carlin no, because we even not say Rasta Jah. Audrey and Carlin in the same platform, the same company sign them. Oliver Company. Eh? Romina, yeah, one of them I call me name, I cuss you. But me for watch the word. Me say fake and real. Show is illusional. Show not real. Audrey don't act the dancehall queen in a real life. But people associated her with it because of the role where she play. Carlin is a dancehall queen in a real life because before she used to go and dance, she used to in a music video, she used to wind up. But I say, make me go bake my cake, because you don't deserve my time. The real plank of them for you, you bless up on yourself and have a blessed day. I want Audrey tell me all some of your name. Make her block on her fire and read out on her right. And you can call her now and tell her not tell me. Because she's a no-nonsense person. And she plain and straightforward. On no demon, on no Jezebel, on no Pharisees, and on no scribe, and will kill Jesus, and no one can kill me too. Afraid of no. Later, yeah, the real plank of them pay you have a blessed day. And later, what I mean is that one is real and one is fake. The real one, she's not that in her real life. She's an actress. I don't say she fake. The character where she play, I say the dancehall queen. You understand? Did I say Audrey fake? One is an actress. When you run from page to page and learn to abide in city, some of them man they all about cock up another woman, all about with another woman and phone you go hunt him and search him. When you have, hey, make a come off of this in a plank.